Hentla, hello and welcome to the Nlaka'pamux Assembly Cedar Heart tutorial. In your kit you will have some 5-inch cedar strips and one long thin strip called the weft. Soak your cedar pieces for at least 20 minutes. Take your 5-inch strips and cut them in half. Start the weave with one vertical and one horizontal. Next, lay another vertical strip on one side. Your next horizontal piece will go over the first vertical and under the second vertical strip. You can now start to see the weaving pattern coming together. Now take another strip and weave it into the opposite side. There should be 3 vertical and 2 horizontal strips on your weaving pattern now. Take the last strip and weave it into the horizontally. Now there should be 3 vertical strips and 3 horizontal strips. Gently push all the pieces together and try and close all the gaps between the strips. You can turn your piece so that you have kind of a V at the top. Next, we're going to pull down each piece on one side until they fold over and are even on both sides. You can see here how we're just making sure that they are even on both sides. Then you're going to turn the work a little bit and do the same thing on the other side. Once you've done this, just make sure that you've got it nice and snug in the center where the weave is. So now we're going to start to fold over the edges, making sure they're still even on both sides there. Okay, so you're going to start at the very bottom V of your area and you're going to fold one piece over and give it a little bit of a push on the edge to make sure that it's staying. Then fold over the opposite side. Then take your next piece, fold it over again. Now is when you're going to start weaving in. So this next piece is going to go over underneath the first and over the second, making sure that you're keeping them a little bit tight. And your last piece on the one side will go under, over, and under. And your last piece, again, you're going to weave it in. Now you can start to see your heart coming together and taking shape. From here, we're going to take a round object. You can either take something round and put it up to the edge, or you can draw this freehand. You're just going to be drawing a half a circle on the edge of both sides of the open area of your heart. Once you've got both sides drawn in for your half circles, you're going to take a pair of scissors and just cut that half circle out. And you can trim up the pieces a little bit more to make the shape exactly how you would like to have it. And now you have a beautiful heart-shaped piece. From here, you can either put something heavy on it and leave it, or you can continue on with the next step, which is taking your long piece of cedar, which is the weft, and you're going to fold that in half. You're going to take that folded edge and you're going to place it around one side of your weave, the back and the front pieces, and you're going to start weaving those in and out of your heart. Each time it's going to go in and out of the edges. Pull it to make it a little bit snug, but just make sure you don't pull too tight that you're going to break your weft piece. And keep weaving those in and out until you're on the other side of your heart. Now from here, you can either tie off your heart, or you can weave back through to the center so that you can tie off and hang your heart from the middle. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do it. You can try it both ways and see which one you like better. Here, Ariel is just tying off the pieces of the weft right on the edge. And again, you can also cut these off here as well, so that if you want to put something else to hang it with, you can do that as well. And here she's just tying a knot in the end of the weft so that it can be hung up. And there is your finished heart. I hope you enjoyed. We're just going to show you one other heart that has been tied in the center, so you can see the difference between tying it on the side and tying it in the center. Hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial on the Cedar Heart